You need to be aware of something occurring within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It is remarkable that billions of SHIB tokens were only lately transferred from FTX to a variety of different wallets. Even weirder is the possibility that this trend may have been influenced by Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance. But to find out, you'll have to keep watching this video. Shiba Inu's price dropped over the past day, and as a result, SHIB dropped down the list of top cryptocurrencies by market cap. While this decrease kind of started slowly a few days ago, during the past 24 hours, the token has taken a rather dramatic 7% plunge. Consequently, SHIB's weekly returns have decreased by 18%, falling into the negatives. Fortunately though, the monthly gains have not yet been lost. Having said that, the most recent price change might be related to Elon Musk's choices about Twitter. The plans for Twitter to include a cryptocurrency wallet were believed to have been paused for a few days by Musk. However, judging by the price decline, it appears that realization is only now starting to set in for SHIB investment aspirants. Dodge has been declining for longer than SHIB, thus we mention SHIB specifically. The price of SHIB appears to be suffering as a result of Twitter's apparent lack of readiness to proceed with the crypto wallet idea. Musk has stated that plans exist to have Twitter pay to use, and we are already aware of the blue tick payment. A crypto wallet for Twitter might mean that cryptocurrency, including SHIB, will be utilized as a payment method with all this money passing hands. Therefore, as we have indicated, the fact that a halt has been put on it has kind of dampened things, but other factors have also been interfering with things. At least some ex-employees don't appear to think that Twitter's pretty radical makeover under Musk is going in the correct route. Some of them have noted that Musk's proposal to charge for the blue tick will result in Twitter losing money instead of making. Therefore, it doesn't seem like all the complexity is good for SHIB. The current FTX issue may also be contributing to this downward trend in SHIB prices. First off, FTX recently increased withdrawal limits to $1,000, which may indicate that the exchange has run into financial trouble. This is possibly the reason why a single wallet removed up to 1 trillion SHIB from the FTX exchange. With these tokens being put back into use, it is understandable why the price of SHIB has dropped. But the issue in which FTX is presently involved is far from ended. There appears to be some sort of conflict between Binance and FTX. According to the CEO of Binance CZ, FTT holdings would be sold off by Binance, since there have been rumors that FTT is trying to influence other business players. According to You Today, this elicited a hostile response from FTX co-founder Ryan Salam and millionaire FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. After learning that Alameda Research, a significant trading firm owned by FTX, was having financial issues, Binance began a massive sell-off of FTX stock. Caroline Ellison, the company's CEO, claimed that the company had sufficient cash on hand and even made a proposal to purchase the FDT that Binance is offering to sell. All of these problems have caused some level of market uncertainty, and when you combine that with the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies, it becomes clear why the SHIB market has recently suffered. However, you would be mistaken if you believe that the entire incident had scared people away from purchasing SHIB. Whales in particular have been taking advantage of the price drop to stock up on SHIB. In fact, this particular price drop seems to have roused some whales, with one that has been sleeping for the majority of the year suddenly waking up. This specific whale spent more than $11 million to acquire more than 1 trillion SHIB tokens in just 3 transactions, and it wasn't the only whale to make purchases. Guys, thank you to Dan, Shiba Inu is the token with the most support among the biggest Ethereum whales, yet it isn't the one that is traded the most. And this might be the case since, even if trade refers to both buying and sells, whales haven't exactly been selling, which is excellent. Even if all the whale acquisitions are excellent and most welcome, more needs to be done to restore the SHIB price. If you want any more proof that a lot more work needs to be done, this is it. We begin this video by saying that SHIB's price is down. It should also be noted that even with the whale purchases, the price of the token is still down. Burning far more tokens than are being burned is something the community could do to advance the price. Almost 40 million SHIB tokens were burned, which isn't bad. However, there must be a lot more burns if we want to lower the price of SHIB. Instead of burning millions of SHIB every day, we should be aiming for billions. At this time when SHIB is cheaper is a terrific chance to burn a lot of SHIB. More retail purchases are also required to aid in SHIB pumping. As far as purchases go, whales are doing well, but retailers too need to work hard. As with burns, now is probably the greatest time to load up on your SHIB portfolio because the token is currently less expensive. With little money, you can purchase a large quantity of SHIB, and as you do so, the token's price will soar. Really, it's a win for everyone. But of course, we must quickly mention here that this isn't financial advice. So please, instead of making your financial decisions based on what is being mentioned in this video, make sure you do your own. You should be aware that Shiba's use cases have continued to expand as we come to a close this film, since a hotel in Dubai just announced that it would start taking Shiba as a form of payment. One of the biggest hotels in Dubai is the 5-star hotel W Dubai, which belongs to the Marriott International family of W hotels. Shiba's placement on the travel website Travala is what led to the development of this use case. Travala is essentially responsible for making this payment option possible.